So you probably never thought about getting your foot or ankle adjusted, but it's truly amazing. So there's three main reasons why I adjust a person's foot or ankle. Number one is obviously pain. Number two is if you sprain your ankle, that's a perfect time to get adjusted. And number three, if you have swollen feet or ankles. So when the feet misalign, that can cause instability and inflammation, decreased range of motion and pain. So getting those bones realigned is really going to help, number one, with pain, but number two, getting the inflammation, the fluid out of there, so you feel like you can walk, you're more stable on your feet, and you can do those activities of working out or working for an extended period of time. So when you have misalignment of your foot, that can travel all the way up to your spine and into your neck. So our feet are our foundation. So you want to get those taken care of as well versus just, dealing with foot or ankle pain. Get them adjusted. If you need help, drbchiropractor.com. Make it a great day.